let's now zoom in on what this looks in practice. So this question is for Jayant. From what you've seen with your clients, if you can maybe share a real world data architecture that really stood out to you, maybe because it was particularly effective or innovative, and maybe what unexpected challenges the organization
Definitely,
ran into that journey.
definitely. So I can think of a quick example, and I can share a success story. It's from a small utility company, right? Like they have around 75,000 meters, close to like 8-10 people working on OT and IT. Like so the goal there is like they want to spin up and get a complete outage map in 6 weeks, and they previously they had tried a lot of solution. And here is what they have to start with. Means they have so-called OPC UA connectors, right? Like so, this is more like a data pushed from their smart meters from for the energy utility. Like I mean, they are all pushed into their on-prem data, right? Like in a CSV format. Like it's
Hmm.
still good one, but again, they are collecting this from all the meters in the real time in the CSV format. And on the other end, they also have the real-time weather data coming to them in a S3 bucket from their vendors, right? Like it's a completely distinct data, like I mean, two different source. And they were trying to bring everything into a one lake, like how every customers are approaching this initially, but then they saw it's not working because they keep doing this migration and keep data is coming up, keep doing migration, and there's no single like a end to it. So when they come and I mean, they heard about all the data visualization, and this is where like interested them and on Arivonix, and they moved to Arivonix. So they built a solution in the way where all the data is virtualized, like means that the on-prem data is going to stay in on-prem, the S3 data is going to stay in S3, and only the hot 5 minutes window will be materialized, but except that everything will be visualized. So this helped them to immediately connect the data in first week itself. So now they have all the data connected and well established. And the second week they start build. I mean, they used a couple of our pre-built transformer health check. This is like an AI block that we have within the platform. They came, used it, and within the second week they started seeing all the insights, what is happening within the data.
That's
And
quick.
of course, like they hit some bumps, right? Like because this is the interesting part why they felt Arivonix helped them a lot. So some of the smart meters, like all in a sudden, like because of certain settings, started pushing the data from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and some of the insights are all going wrong. And this is coming in Fahrenheit. They saw this drift. In Arivonix, we have pipeline as a code. They just went and quickly added it, published it, and immediately they saw this drift is been now handled, and now they can start seeing the full lineage, the full outcome right away, right? Like so, in short, like this utility company in 90 days they were able to get the complete transformer outage and also keep it up to date, like what they are viewing everything in one place. And mostly that what they liked is like how the data flows and the lineage and everything made them simple. So even though I said it's a one CSV file, but it's not like one table. It's like a more than like 100 CSV file coming from each different version of smart meters. So they got a proper clear lineage about this that helped them to clearly visualize and see how the data is flowing, and also help them to see the end outcome.
That's definitely quick. 90 days. I mean, that's I think that's a powerful example on how even small teams can deliver big impact. Thank you so much for sharing
It
that.
is.